Amazing Buys, where we discuss shopping, fragrance, and do reviews. This is going to be an accessory haul video. So if you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe. And let's get started. Okay, I finally got some time to myself, and guys, I have something to share with you. This video, like I said, is an accessory haul video, and I love accessories. One of my favorite accessories, you guys always know that I am wearing different type of earrings. I feel like that's just an expressive, like, fashion piece for me. Like, even if I'm wearing something plain, earrings I feel like gives your outfit an extra oomph. Do you know what I'm saying? I've always loved earrings, and the more unique it is, the more that I'm just drawn to it. A lot of times people are talking to me and I'm just like, your earrings are so pretty. So guys, this is going to be an unboxing video, and these earrings are from a brand called Sayabling. If you've never heard of Sayabling, they have everything from rings, necklaces, and earrings for men and women. They're very colorful, unique, trendy, depending on what you're looking for, and they even have some blink out jewelry. As of right now, this is their 5th anniversary, so they do have a site-wide sale where everything is 15% off. They do have a sale if you buy 2 or more pieces, you get 30% off. Also, they do have free shipping if you spend $59. So let's do this unboxing now that I introduced you to Sayabling jewelry. Guys, I am loving how this box looks. Tell me this doesn't look like a nice gift. Okay, I decided to pick 2 earrings. Earrings is like my favorite jewelry piece, my favorite accessory at that. So this is the packaging. As you can see, Sayabling, loving the blue. For the first jewelry piece, I picked these because I thought that they were so cute. So this is how the inside is looking. They do put it in a little Ziploc package to keep your item safe. Look at this and tell me this doesn't look beautiful. Can we see this? Look at the details. So I thought this was really cute. As you can see, it has the stones here. It has the flowers above the pearl. I have to show you this. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm in love, I'm in love. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay, let me get up close so you guys can see. It's not heavy at all. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see this? Like, I'm loving how the flowers are sitting on top of the pearl. I love the little rhinestone here. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. I feel like this is kind of like an everyday look, but it could be like, hey, I'm going on a date. It could be like, hey, I'm going on an event. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You ever see earrings that they just look absolutely gorgeous and you put them on and your ears are stretched down here? No, we're not doing that over here. Okay, so far so good. I am gonna make sure that I put the link to these exact earrings in the description box, and the other earrings that I'm going to show you, just in case you guys definitely want this. But they have a lot to choose from. Like I said, if you're looking for something colorful, something that is like, hey, all eyes on me, look over here, they have so many options to choose from. I know I say that all the time about things, but they honestly do. Let's get to the second earrings. I wanted to get something that was a little bit more unique, so I went for cute for the first set of earrings. I'm going for unique for this one. So again, they pack it in mini Ziploc bags so they're not moving around, clinking against each other, getting broken or anything. So I do appreciate the packaging. This is what this is looking like. Let's see. There you go. So you see the pearl, and the bottoms have like a shimmer to it, but then they also have a pearl on the back of it. So let's get these earrings in and see what this looks like on me. Okay guys, this is different. And I know people say that when they don't like stuff, but I actually really like these. This is one of those type of earrings where it's a front piece and a back piece. I feel like if you want to switch it up, you can use the back of it, which is also pearls, as you can see. So if you want it to be like, you know, sparkling and shiny, you can keep it at its regular state, or you can separate it, which I'll show you. See, this part comes detached. So you can flip this around and just wear it where it's nothing but pearls. But I personally like, you know, the blinged out rhinestones. So comment below, guys, which one do you like better? Do you like these with the rhinestone dangles, or do you like these pearl earrings with the florals on the top of it? Guys, I think, in my honest opinion, I like these a little bit more. It's simple yet elegant yet cute. Yes, if you are interested again in getting this earrings or the floral pearl ones, I am going to put the link in the description box where you can directly get these earrings. But let me know in the comments section which one is your favorite. You know, I'm going to have that discount code for you. So to save an extra 20% off on top of the site-wide sale that's going on, here is the discount code for that. That is RVIP20. That'll get you an additional 20% off. So yes, this is my accessory haul. Let me know in the comments section what you think. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun, stay blessed, and happy shopping. Bye.